So now we are in our next video. So in our previous video we have already created the outlines. In this class we will add details, but now you can light out lines with the help of kneaded eraser. If you do not have kneaded eraser, don't worry, you can use any eraser, but make sure आपका पेपर फटे ना, अदरवाइज आपकी ये ड्राइंग ख़राब हो सकती है, उसमें पैचेस आ जाएंगे उसको ब्लेंड करते टाइम. सो यू हैव टू वर्क वेरी जेंटली. Now we light out our lines, and let me just adjust my camera, and now we will add details that I have already told to you. You can sharp your pencils, because in this study you need very sharp pencil. So now I'm using hard charcoal pencil for my first layer. You have to work upon your highlights. You can see the highlighted areas, like white areas you can saw. So firstly we will mark the highlighted areas, and then we will start our drawing. यहाँ पर आपको ध्यान देना है द डायरेक्शंस ऑफ द हेयर. यूज़ हार्ड पेंसिल एंड मेक श्योर आप बहुत लाइट ड्राइंग करो. आई एम यूजिंग द हार्ड चारकोल पेंसिल फॉर फर्स्ट लेयर because it is very light pencil. First of all we will create the road map on highlighted zone, and then we can maintain the curve. Don't go straight like I am maintaining the curve. You have to also maintain your curve, because you can saw like hairs कभी भी straight नहीं होते, वो इधर उधर ऐसे हो ही रहे होते हैं. In middle portion you can also show there are straight lines are also present, but not complete straight. You don't go on highlighted areas, highlighted zones. We have to simplify, create very thin lines towards the highlight. I am just forcing the section here. I am maintaining the curve. Do not make too much pattern here. Like you can see, it's not parallel line as you learn here. Lift your pencil little bit, and then you can draw. So now I'm trying to merge few lines to look more realistic my drawing. Make sure आपके hairs merge लगने चाहिए. That's why I'm merging few strokes and few lines. Otherwise वो choppy hair लगेंगे, हमें वो कटे हुए बाल नहीं लगने हैं हमारी drawings में. So make sure you work upon the highlights and
बंद कर रहे हैं.
now I'm start from the lower section, and you can make the curve here, focusing on the direction of the hairs. Use very light pencil. Now I'm gonna start from here, from lower point. You can merge the lines very gently, very slowly. You can see as you come from the lower point, here is the more curves are present. Now you can add these lines with each other. Now add few strokes from here. Lift out your pencil and add few strokes. Always started your drawing. After that you can make sure you divide your drawings in the sections. If you divide it on the sections or few parts, it's become easier. Like you can saw, I also divided my drawing in section. Now I'm gonna work upon the lower section and इसके पहले मैंने upper section में काम किया. So it helps you to how to create your drawings, and it's look very pretty also, and it get easier. Like you can see the middle zones, you don't have need to touch in these zones because these are highlighted zones, but you have need to merge only few strokes from this region, otherwise आपके hairs कटे हुए लगेंगे, वो natural look नहीं देंगे. Now our first layer is completed. Now we are use this brush for the blending purpose, but first of all we can rub the extra powder on the rough sheet. You can use newspaper also to rub out the extra powder. Otherwise it's the first layer. The powder already present in pencil that we need. We did not need the extra powder. And now we are using in our hair study. We can blend with the help of brush. You can blend it very gently. Always blend from the upper to lower section, like I am doing from up to down. You can use only that powder that already present in the brush, or like you can merge only this powder on the highlighted zone that already present in brush. Like you can saw, जैसे हमने brush use किया, little bit difference are come in our drawing. So now we continue in our next section. So